So this problem gives us an equation here and wants us to just simplify this equation down to be a single integer answer. So what we should end up with is something that's just a whole number and no fractions or decimals. The easiest way to do this is to just go ahead and enter it into your calculator almost exactly how it looks. So pull up your TI-84 calculator, and from here you just want to go ahead and enter it really again how it looks. So where they have a parentheses, I put a parentheses and then 3 squared and then close that parenthesis. The only thing that's going to be different in this is you don't want to enter brackets. Instead of brackets, we're just going to put another set of parentheses. So that's our bracket right there, and then another set to start the parentheses we run into. So -2 minus 4, and then close that parenthesis, and then we want to raise it to the 0 power. And then from there, we just hit to the right to get out of the exponent, and then minus, and then open a parenthesis, -1 plus 2, and then raise it to the third, and then push to the right again to get out of the exponent, and hit 2 sets of closed parentheses, and then from there, just hit enter. And so we get out of here an answer of -54. So the answer on this problem would have been -54.